Managing the appearance of your hands may be a concern, especially if they appear chubby. However, by implementing gradual lifestyles, modifications, and embracing healthy weight loss practices, you can achieve slimmer looking fingers over time. In addition, there are certain exercises that can be performed to strengthen and tone the muscles in your hands. Who knew you can slim down those digits while still shedding pounds with the perfect blend of exercise and healthy eating? Keep watching to discover ways to make your hands appear slimmer in no time. Here, I'll share 10 incredible diet and exercise tips that will help you achieve elegant and elongated fingers. Alright, let's dive in. Number 1. Maintain a well-balanced diet. We all know that chunky fingers can be a sign of excess fat, but fear not, a balanced and healthy diet can be your knight in shining armor, helping you shed those extra pounds and banishing fat not just from your fingers but from all over your body. Number 2. Remember to keep yourself hydrated. Chubby hands may actually be swollen ones. Swelling can be caused by water retention, which may be due to mild dehydration. Strive to consume between 8 to 10 glasses of water daily and make a conscious effort to drink whenever you feel thirsty. Number 3. Massage and self-care. Incorporating massages and skincare routines into your regimen can revitalize and nourish your skin, while simultaneously ensuring your hands remain supple and moisturized. Give your hands a little love with massage and get 2-for-1 benefits: more blood flow and less puffiness. Plus, this hands-on therapy can ease inflammation and give your mitts a sleeker look. Number 4. Revive your hands with stretch-tastic exercises. By practicing this, watch your fingers become slimmer and extra flexible. By this exercise, you are improving the strength of your individual fingers as well as toning them overall. Number 5. Get your paws moving with the claw fold exercise. To reduce finger fat, follow these simple steps. Create a claw shape with your hands and then fold your fingers tightly. Repeat this exercise regularly to see the results. Number 6. Finger extension exercise. To elongate and slim your fingers, try this finger extension exercise. Extend your fingers outward, stretching them as far as possible. Number 7. Thumb to finger workouts to boost your dexterity. To enhance finger flexibility, try attaching each finger to your thumb, followed by spreading your fingers out wide and then repeating the process. This exercise can help promote dexterity and slimness of the fingers. Number 8. Pump up your muscles with fist workouts. Get those digits ready for action. Start by stretching your fingers wide, then give them a good plunge into a fist, all while finding a cozy spot to work from. Number 9. Curl and flex exercise. To achieve an elongated appearance for your hands, begin by forming a fist, clenching your fingers as tightly as possible. Gradually release the tension and stretch your fingers out slowly. Number 10. Do household chores. If you prefer not to engage in these exercises, there are alternative ways to attain nimble fingers. Working with real flour to make dough, wringing out excess water from wet cloths, cooking, and potting plants are all activities that can enhance finger dexterity and foster more slender digits. To achieve slender fingers, it is essential to engage in regular exercise while simultaneously creating a caloric deficit within your diet. By following these tips, you will be able to maximize the efficiency of your efforts. Nearly 99% of my viewers have not subscribed to my channel. I kindly request that you subscribe to my channel to receive the latest updates. Thanks for watching. If you have any other video suggestions, please comment down below. And bye bye, take care.